Hey racers, welcome back, and you can see it's RC Fanatic, joined with my good friend Colin and Nathan.
Hi.
So today we're here at Star Brothers Speedway, and we're on a rain delay right now, but we're still fairly on schedule actually for the races to begin at the right time. So since you've been in my videos, never before.
Never.
Never. How long have you been here at the track?
I've been here. This is my second year working here.
That's good. Maybe you should start racing.
Maybe.
Been here long enough by now.
I have.
And Nathan, you've been racing for how long?
I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 years.
Wow. He's old. Sorry. But yeah, so I kind of wanted to start a new topic for the video. I get questions all the time about rain delays. So rain delay, good or bad?
Bad.
Okay, we're on agreement. For those of you who have no clue what I'm talking about or don't race, the track here is an outdoors track. It's mainly made of clay. So therefore we can't really race on wet clay. Pardon? Dr. Pepper, great for racing. Sponsor. I'm gonna understand that, guys. Anyway, but yeah, when you can't really race on a wet clay track, so we try to let the track dry out, and then hopefully with the sun out, it dries up, and we're ready to race again.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, by some weird reason, we didn't get that far this time. I'll update you guys either later on tonight if it's still good, if we end up racing, or if it doesn't end up racing, I would film a cancellation video for you guys. But either way, we're good. Just want to let you know what's going on. And also, if you want to see some race footage, if we start racing today, you can log on to www.rcscoringpro.com and look for Star Brothers RC Speedway, or you can go to the Star Brothers Racing Network on YouTube. Thanks for coming. Thanks for being in my videos, guys.
No problem. Thank you.
That about does it for this episode. As always, keep your wheels on track, and we'll see you next time. Bye.